Students, exercise 3.2. Question number 4. Which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent? Inconsistent. Student, please read the question properly. Which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent, inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Student, third part. Question number 4, third part. Remaining parts are in homework. Student, the pair of linear equations are 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Students, this is the first linear equation, this is the second linear equation. On comparing the given linear equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, we get a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 6. Student, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 2 and c2 is equal to minus 2. Student, any doubt, any problems? Here a1 is 2, b1 is 1, c1 is minus 6, a2 is 4, b2 is minus 2, c2 is minus 4. c2 is minus 4. Student, a1 by a2, that is 2 by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2. Students, b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is 1 upon minus 2, that is minus 1 by 2. Student, we conclude that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. We conclude that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Student, it will be consistent or inconsistent? Student, please tell me that it will be consistent or inconsistent? Consistent. Consistent. Okay, student, the given pair of linear equation, is consistent. Student, first of all, we will check that it will be consistent or inconsistent. If it will be consistent, we will draw the graph of the given pair of linear equation. If it is inconsistent, there will be no need to draw the graph. You will write the given pair of linear equation is inconsistent. The question is finished here. If students, if the given pair of linear equations is consistent, now we will draw the graph. Students, now we will draw the graph. Draw the graph.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, students, ask me.
Sir, if
Draw the graph 2x plus y from equation first. From equation first. Equation first. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now student, y is equal to, if minus 6 is transferred from left hand side to right hand side, so minus 6 change into plus 6, that is 6, and that will become minus 6 minus 2x. Y 6 minus 2x. Y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Now student, draw the graph.
now half.
Now student, replace x with 0. Sorry, replace x with 0. X with 0.
Sir,
Y is 6. Y is 6. Student, replace x with 1.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, students.
Sir, my doubt is
Student, replace x with 1. 6 minus 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 6 minus 2. Y is equal to, student, y is equal to 4. If we replace x with 2, then y will be 2 2s are 4, y will be 2. Y will be 2. Student, 0 6 1 4 2 2. Student, any doubt, any problem? From equation second. From equation second. From equation second, 4x minus 2y 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now students, 4x minus 4 is equal to 2y. Student, taken 4x, taken 2 as common throughout. Taken 2 as common throughout. Now student, taken 2 as common, that 2x minus 2, that is 2y. 2 2 cancel out. So 2x minus 2 is equal to y. Now student, draw the table. Student, any doubt, any problems?
no, sir.
Okay students.
No, sir, no doubt.
X, y. Now students, replace x with 0, then y is minus 2. Replace x with 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2 0. Replace x with 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 2 2. Student, any doubt, any problems?
2.
Student, any doubt, any problems? Now student, draw the Cartesian plane. X dash, y dash. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Student, that is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 1 2 3 4 5. That is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now students, 0 6. Student, x is 0, y is 6. X is 0, y is 6. Y is 6. Student, x is 0, y is 6 on x axis and y axis. Please tell me.
On y-axis.
0, 6. Now students, 1, 4. In first quadrant, 1, 4. 1 and 4. That is your B point, 1, 4. Now student, next is 2 and 2. Those are positive coordinates. So 2 and 2. Also in first quadrant. That is C, 2 and 2.
First.
Student, join these points. Join these points. You will obtain a straight line
We
graph.
need a straight line.
Now students, next is 0, 2. 0, 2. X 0, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 2.
X-axis.
Yes? 0,
It's a
2.
y-axis.
D 0, 2. Now student, next is 1, 0. 1, 0.
Sir, it's 0 minus 2.
1, 0.
X-axis.
Minus 2. Oh, sorry. Students,
Yes, sir. It will be 4.
your point is 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. That is 0 minus 2. D 0 minus 2. Now student, next one is 1, 0. 1, 0. X1, Y 1, 0. That is
0 minus 2 will be on y-axis.
1, 0.
1 dash.
Y-axis.
Right.
1, 0. 1, 0. That is this point. Next one is 0, 2. 0, 2. 2, 2. Student, 2, 2. 2 and 2.
It's 2.
2 and 2.
It's a coordinate D is wrong.
Student, 0 minus
It
2.
will be on y dash axis.
Students, 0. Yes. Okay, student, wait. Students, this is your 0 minus 2, this is your 1, 0, this is your 2 and 2. Join these points. This is your graph. This is your graph. Students, half the perimeter of rectangular garden. Students, first of all, please tell me that what is perimeter of rectangle. Student, it is your length, rectangle. It is your length.
What does it?
It is the length. It is breadth. It is your breadth. Now student, perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter means sum of outer distance of the figure. Outer distance of the figure. Now student, L plus L, B plus B. L plus L, that is twice of L. B plus B, that is twice of B. Student, 2 is common, that is L plus B. Student, it is the perimeter of rectangle. It is perimeter of rectangle. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, students. Now we will discuss question number 5.